We'll have much more on Marco and Laura coming up in just a moment, but right now here in Connecticut we are tracking some thunderstorms, some of which are strong. We still have a severe thunderstorm warning until 5:45 for a cell that's moving over Harford County. We can see the thunderstorm from Rocky Hill, about 10 miles south of our capital city, and there we can see scanning within the clouds on early warning pinpoint Doppler. Certainly a weakening trend as it moves out of Simsbury and Avon and into, say, Windsor Locks, Windsor, and Hartford and East Hartford. So that is a trend that will likely continue as we head through the next 20 to 30 minutes, and elsewhere across the state things are pretty quiet as of the current time here at 5:14. So temperatures at one point today pushing the mid and upper 80s. We failed to reach the 90-degree mark at Bradley International Airport. So heat wave number 6 of the year officially over, and our tally of 90-degree days so far stands at 38 days so far for 2020. We will take a run at 90 again tomorrow before some cooler, drier air filters in. So right now we're still as warm as 87 in Waterbury, but down to 79 in Groton, 75 for Willimantic, and 87 in New Haven. So dew point values are in the 60s and low and mid 70s. It's certainly a muggy evening. Our ICAM view from New Haven showing a much quieter scene here along the shoreline. 87 there again, 79 with a dying storm that we were tracking over southern Connecticut, looking inland from our ICAM view from New London. So throughout the region, thunderstorms were quite numerous this afternoon. And again, tomorrow we're going to see another chance for some thunderstorms, but they're going to be along a cold front that's currently moving through the western Great Lakes. That's going to head in our direction. It's going to be fairly fast moving, and then that will give us that chance for showers and storms tomorrow. But again, very, very isolated nature, a situation where not every town will get rain tomorrow. So FUTURECAST 7 o'clock this evening, basically showing that things are fizzling and quieting down by then. Clear to partly cloudy overnight where we've seen rain today. We could certainly see some patchy fog develop by early tomorrow morning. Then for our Tuesday, you can see showers and storms off to our northwest, moving into southern New England during the course of our afternoon, but then that front quickly moves offshore by 6, 7 o'clock tomorrow evening. That's when some cooler, drier air begins filtering into the state. So we're going to start our Tuesday between 65 and 70 inland, upper 60s, low 70s along the 95 corridor, and then tomorrow afternoon, 85 to 90 inland and mid and upper 80s as the wind becomes more off the land as opposed to off the water with the passage of that front by later tomorrow afternoon and evening. So with regard to Marco and as well Laura, I'll take you in a little bit closer inspection here with Marco. First and foremost, sustained winds are at 40 miles an hour. It is positioned to make landfall over the southeastern Gulf, the southeastern part of Louisiana, I should say, as we head through the course of this evening as a tropical storm. Meanwhile, Tropical Storm Laura is forecast to become not only a Category 1 but Category 2 hurricane before making landfall some point Wednesday night near the Texas-Louisiana border. And eventually some of that tropical moisture gets picked up by a storm system, the remnants of Laura, that we'll perhaps have to deal with as we head toward the upcoming weekend on Saturday. In the meantime, upper 70s, breezy, less humid on Wednesday with a lot of sunshine. And then both Thursday and Friday afternoon, we start trending a bit warmer, a bit muggier morning low temperatures after spending a couple of days in the 50s, back in the mid and upper 60s. And then for the upcoming weekend, Saturday looking like a not so great day. Periods of rain, perhaps some thunderstorms, that tropical connection. Then behind that for Sunday, trending much brighter and a little bit cooler, upper 70s and near 80 for Monday of next week. For shoreline highs after tomorrow, right near the 80-degree mark for Wednesday and Thursday, and as well over the upcoming weekend.